Hi, I'm Sean Griswold, Director of Strength and Conditioning. Here at the University of Tulsa, we run an explosive no-huddle football program. Our goal is to create an on-field tempo that is matched by no one in the country. Our kids take great pride in being the hardest working, most disciplined, best conditioned team in the country. The training facility has 10 working stations staffed by 4 strength coaches. We run football groups of 20 to 25 athletes as they run throughout the day around their class schedule. Having these smaller groups allows the strength staff to have a more individual contact with each player. We feel like this gives our athletes the best chance for success. The core objectives of our program are keeping our athletes healthy and increase sports performance. During the athletes' time here at the University of Tulsa, we will develop them mentally, physically, and emotionally, preparing you for the game of life and for football. Program philosophy is based on three things: ground-based movements with the athlete's feet in the ground that are crucial for success on the football field. An athlete's ability to apply force to the ground will determine how high they can jump and how fast they can run. Multi-joint movements that work more than one joint at a time, are the most beneficial for athletes, requiring multiple joints to work together so the body functions as one unit. Three-dimensional movements, athletic skills that require the athlete to simultaneously move up and down, side to side, and forward and backward. Athletes must be able to function properly in all 3 planes of motion. Helps increase functional strength as well as reduce the risk of injury. Specific conditioning, I think, is one unique aspect of what we do here at the University of Tulsa. Our summer training sets us apart from anybody else in the country. We have analyzed what's being done by position and try to develop that into our conditioning on our Fridays. The demand for each position group is different. The demands for a defensive back are different from those of a running back, so we'll run different skill sets. Each group will condition during the summer on Fridays to try to help increase on-the-field performance. This gives us the best chance to be successful down the stretch of the season and playing in a conference championship game the first weekend in December. The goal of being conference champion, bowl champions, is what we have established as our goals each year. And we need to be stronger at the end of the season as well as at the beginning of the season. Supplement-wise, we're staying within the NCAA guidelines. We provide supplements for each one of our student athletes. Nutrition education is a large part of what we do from the program standpoint. From strength staff to our full-time dietitian on staff, we have each position group meet with her individually and also as a position group. At the University of Tulsa, we use Muscle Milk, Gatorade, Cliff Bar, First Step Energy. Also use chocolate milk for recovery after lifting and conditioning sessions. The commitment to each athlete being successful is extremely high here at the University of Tulsa.